We tell our children that the reason they have 2 ears and 2 eyes and only 1 mouth is so that they can listen and watch twice as much as they talk. Listening is very important. But there are 3 things that you can do that will sharpen your listening skills and make sure that you are listening as carefully and as intelligently as possible. First, get out from behind your desk. Go to where the action is. Go to the customers. Japanese call it gemba. Go to where the facts are. Second, remember to stop talking. Spend more time watching and listening. Even if you are confident that you have got all the information you need, please watch and listen more. Third, show empathy and be in the moment where your employees and customers are speaking. Learn from the people with whom you should be listening to.